Yeah, so you all want to know how to use your trading view. So first of all, you go to your browser and type in trading view. Alright, tradingview.com. Then go to your products, click on super chat, then wait for it to load, and now it's loaded. So on trading view, you can see on the right hand side are your pairs. So these are currency pairs. And any other instrument you might want to trade with. So first of all, to look for currency pairs or add currency pairs, you click this plus icon and you type in the currency you want to trade. So here, let's type in GBP USD. GBP USD. So we have other GBP USD here. So let's add one more. This one is from Rwanda. So let's add from Rwanda. As you can see, it is already added here. So let's click it. And now we have our chart on GBP USD. So that's how you search for your currency pair. So a quick tip for you to zoom in or zoom out, you can stretch your charts by going to this place here, this price bar here, and click and left click on your cursor and drag it like this. Yes, so you can left click it and drag it like this. Then to make it wide, you can click it again and drag it to the left, drag it to the right. So that is how you make your charts a bit bigger, a bit clearer for you to see. So moving on, let's look at the colors. You can click on your right button. You can right click and the colors setting comes out. So you go down to your settings, click on it, drag it to the other side so you can see your chart clearer. And your body, this is the color you want to use for your body. You can use this color. Yes, you can use this color, you can use this color, any one of them. But because we are using a candle called the Olu candle, so we can go back and come to this place. These are Olu candles, so you can come to this place here and click on it to choose normal candles. So these are the candles that majority of traders use, right? So you click on candles, you can see they are different actually. So this one you can actually customize it way better because it's just two colors. So you can choose a color for your bearish candles and you can also choose a color for your bullish candles. So let's go to body. By on checking this, everything becomes flat. So let's click it again and you can just come back here and select, okay, this is your bearish candle, right? You can just select this column right here and this other one, which is your bullish candles. You can select this, or this is way better. And your wick, you can select your wick by on checking it, or you check your box and you can select any color you like. So I prefer using my Olu candles. So my Olu candles are here. So I'm clicking it and I'm resetting the chart view. So you can reset your chart view like this, or you can actually click on Ctrl Z to undo what you just did on your charts. So I'm clicking on Ctrl Z. So I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, and I'm going back. So I'm going back to my Olu candles. So yeah, this is my Olu candles here. So I clicked on Ctrl Z to go back to where we were from the beginning. So now you can see that I'm on my Olu candles. So I prefer this one because this one is quite clearer for me to analyze with, instead of using my normal candles. It's not about customizing your candles, it's about making profit off of the market. So now on our right side is where we see our currency pairs, and on our left side is where we see our tools in which we use for our analysis. So these are tools on the left side. On the left side where we find our trend line. This is our trend line, and I selected my trend line, so this is my trend line. You can also customize your trend line by going to the settings down below. So going to style, when you go to style, you can make it a bit thinner. So now I'm making it more thinner. You can make it thicker, so clicking this one will make your trend line thicker and more visible for you to see. You can also add text to it by clicking on text and adding probably you add your trend line name, so you can add it as trend line 1, or since it's on a 45-minute time frame, you can just put trend line 45M. So right now we have it right here, trend line 45M. So we click on OK. So our trend line is set. You can also change the color. So changing the colors to other colors are quite easy, like we did on our candles. So this is our trend line. You can also search for other things like our Fibonacci replacements. So this is our Fibonacci retracement. This is our Fibonacci retracement. You can drag it to the left, drag it to the right. So now this is our fib, and you can also set our fib colors by clicking on this one. You can right click, go to your settings, choose the colors you want for the numbers. So you can uncheck also. So when you uncheck the box right here, they are no more visible, so you can do as you please. You can play around with your tools. So when you play around with your tools, you just know that it's up to you to decide the way you want your chart style to be. So now let's delete it. Click on it, then click on your delete. You can also click on this one and click on your delete, and you can also use your Ctrl+Z to undo what you have done on your chart before. So now moving forward, you can also add our path. So this is our path, just to signify where the market is going to go, the direction of the market. And you can also add your arrow. So this is your arrow. You can add your arrow. You can also change their colors too. So I prefer this color, so you can do anything you want to do with it. And that is that. Say you go back to your select tool and you click each and every one of them for you to delete. You click and you press your delete. You click and you press your delete. When you type your delete, so you can go back to your tools and select text. So you can type in the text you want. Anything you want to write, it's up to you. So you can just play around, just type anything you want to type and click your backspace, or you just click here, come to this place and press your, you can come back to this place and press your delete. So that is that on your trading view. And one more thing, you can also turn this chart upside down. So if you are used to seeing a chart being bearish, and when you see a bullish trend, you do not know how to analyze your trade. So this is a bearish trend, right? So you want to turn it to a bullish trend so that you can actually analyze, because you are not used to seeing charts going bearish. So you can just come to this place and click on the settings, come to invert scale and click it. Now it's upside down. For you to do it back, you can come back here and uncheck it. So you can come back here and uncheck it. So now we are back to normal. And that is that on our trading view. You can also go to your time frame and select the time frame you want to see on your TradingView chart by coming to this place and going down to uncheck all these ones, or you can also check them so that you can see them there. So let's go by unchecking all these ones. So I'm unchecking them, so you won't have to see anyone here. And you can also check them again because you want to see your favorite time frame up here easily. You can find them easily by just adding them to your favorite, and it comes here. So that is all about time frame on your chart, so it's easier for you to check. So these are indicators. This is where you find your indicators. The two indicators I have here are the moving average indicator and the session on charts indicators. I don't use them anymore, so we close the indicator by coming here to check it and hide. So now our indicators are hidden. So going back, you can see that you can as well pull everything. Just play with your TradingView, just play with it and try to analyze more on it using your tools, and you are good to go. So the next thing will be looking for setups using strategies. So you can just use your top-down analysis or any kind of ICT strategy to check for setups on your TradingView. So clicking your pairs, these are the GBP USD, this is Bitcoin. So this is where Bitcoin is at the moment. Bitcoin is at $60,000, and so that is that on your TradingView. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.